Go.
Hey guys, Dennis Foster, Foster's Yacht Services again. And where am I? The beautiful Lauderdale Marine Center. Like I've never said that before, right? Okay, so I wanted to bring you up on another one of our custom projects here. We got another one of our customers came back. He's back for the second or third time doing some more renovations and transformations with us. But this time, we're gonna solve some problems for him. And he's got probably three main problems. One is keeping it cool up here, because this gets really hot all the time when he's driving. He's sweating, he's got the air conditioning on. It's just not enough. So what we're gonna do is replace a brand new air conditioning here, do some reducting, and that'll take care of that. The other one we're gonna solve for him is we're gonna take the old sunshade retractable shade that was up here, and we're gonna make a new hardtop fiberglass insert plug that's also removable, so we can close this off. And number one, he doesn't have all the water draining in when it's raining. And number two, he'll have a nice fiberglass hardtop insert here that can always be removed at a later date. So that will also solve the cooling problem for him as well. The third problem we're going to take care of is right now when he's driving, what he does is he sits like this and he has to go on his tippy toes, because when he's in Naples or wherever he's driving, he can't see the crab pots. So he wants to be able to see those. So what we did is we put brand new electronics. He's got all new electronics in here. And what we did now is we took the existing console. We're going to extend it and fabricate it 18-inch piece at the bottom. We're going to put a shelf in the middle to hold it together and store some stuff on there and install some equipment on there. And we're also going to make an access door, little hatch in the back, and put a new air conditioning in here. So these are some of our custom fabrication work that we're going to do right now, and you can see what it entails: taking everything apart, measuring, putting it together, go fabricate it. Then when you come back, you got to put it back on, make sure it fits, installs, is the right color match gel coat, is all caulked in, everything's screwed in and working. And then from now on, when he comes over here, he'll be able to look out and see those crab pots instead of not running into them. As well, we're also going to put a new stood chair for him to make him feel a little bit better when he sits down and he's also comfortable. So really, in theory, that would be 4 problems we're solving for our customer right now. So happy to do this. You know how passionate I am about doing all these custom goodies for your yachts that come over here and need these accessories on their boats. So Foster's Yacht Services, Dennis Foster, signing out, guys.